sinaba namukubira neta nabajimpereza wange kubira kugonza gagonzo weka yabwe kubira kugonza gagonza oweka yabwe owa linda ko ngenda kudda mukubira ka traffic kakano kali nayi no busajja tekayinza kuputa kuyimiriza naki
Pipa there.
Wanja Fande, good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Yes, I'm okay. Why do you drive like that?
How, what do you mean?
That's very slow. You're driving very slow on the road. Why do you drive very slow like that?
No, kuvuga mpona kati nakugwafuse musango. I'm not on a rush.
No. What is your permit? Let me have a look at your permit. You drive like that. Is this your phone?
That's my phone.
Why is that your phone is here? No. Why is it that it's there? Just be in the bag. You've been on phone.
Who?
You.
Have you seen me on phone?
No, I've not seen you, but engagenda ba. Simu eri kumpi, wachi eri kumpi. Laba eri kumuto wano. Wachi.
Osabye permit hiyo.
What is your name?
Naruge nyini agali ku permit. Mchala Mtibwa.
Yalia Mtibwa. You, woman. When is this thing expiring? 2019. After 2019, you know permit wajewa. 2019. It's valid.
I'm a government official.
No, but you see, you move that phone there from there. You remove that phone. So why do you put in the bag?
Ongambye simu inabera munsi.
Yes, ebade na pa mu bag beginning. Now it implies you've been on phone.
No, kati
yes, you've been on phone.
But this is my car. I'm free to
that's
put
an
anything
offense. That's
where
a very big offense. No.
Era baga eri mu motoka.
No. Where is your third party?
You check. It's valid. Can you please give me back my permit?
December 30. You woman. It is still on like that.
Yes. I need
now these tires. You know this permit. I'm going to charge you.
To
you have the phone. The phone is there. You're driving very slow. Why do you drive like that on the road? Where will other people pass? What are other users of the road? You're very slow.
I kept
no, but I feel
everything okay.
There's an offense with you, woman.
No, let
me see. Talk boy in popular. I know you must be having it popular. You, woman. Is this your permit?
That is my permit, sir. Kanzijeko glasses olabe ekifaananyi ekiri ku permit n'ekifaananyi bwenfaanana.
No, you are the one. Twena deshpapula.
Sina ekipapula sir.
Why do you drive like that? Sure.
Oyagala nvuge bubi bampe ekipapula?
No, let me see the number plate. Odo bango you have an offense. I know. When did you buy this car? When did you buy it? And you keep it looking like this as if it is new.
Yes, sir.
Wajugula kwani?
Najugula mu bond.
Bond? Which one?
I'm not here to market bonds.
There's no chipapula, there's nothing. Just driving on the road like that. Okay, you where are you going now?
Ngenda ku mulimo sebo.
Okay, ogenda kola.
Sebo.
Kola sendi.
Ngenda kola sendi.
Nange ndo njagala kola.
Kola.
Kola nange bwe nkola.
Kola nange bwe nkolera.
Ate nkola because like that.
Oyino kola nga nange bwe nkola sebo. Era kati you already oli mukola nenze sinnatuuka.
Do you have double indicators? You put the indicators. Put
indicators.
Put indicators with this guy see. Okay, they work. What about this wiper? Do the wipers work? Put the wiper. Does it flash water? Okay. We put on lights like this. Put on lights. Double, full. Double. Pass. Put pass.
Bannange. Amatala gakola sebo.
I can see. So gambi ogenda wa?
Ngenda ku mulimu.
Gwoli mukola?
Gwoli mukola sebo nze ngenda bugenzi.
Atenze mbadde nafu. You put on brake lights. Bring up to brake lights. Put on.
Nzirinye sebo.
Brake lights. They are not working. You see? Your brake lights is color. You don't have brake lights. And this is very dangerous. You can stop from behind. Or you get accident. You don't have brake lights. You see. You come and see. You come and see. You come. Come and see. You come and see.
Mbele to the steering mvuga. How should I not know when ninya brakes emabega saka?
This is your car. You must know. Oto bango manyi kuchimashula. Katezikola. You come and see. This is a very big offense. Kamalo kuchi papula. That's a very big offense. Twela brake lights.
Engari jembera ngantu dono ngasira bashiri mabega. Mbadde nsabo jjo ninyiremu ndabe.
Brake lights.
Jango ninyiremu ndabo batezaaka. Kuba siri shuwo bazaako batezaaka. Sisobola kulaba yo ngantu.
So you're doubting my words, eh? You're doubting me.
Just come and help me.
No, you're doubting me. You come and see. Come and see. This is your car. The brake lights are not working. This is going to take Gamma to fresh. That's a very big offense. You see your was what? This is what
Azira banga tawali alinye brush. Jango fiso nyambe. Come.
You break. Linya kwa zempula again.
Sigwandabira. You come and see it.
Okay, you come and see. This is a very big offense. In fact, can go which papula?
First seat. First seat.
No, I'm not going to sit. Let me put from here. No, I'm not supposed to sit in your car.
Okay, Ninyirai.
Now you go and see.
Linya seven.
Ninyi. Yeah, you see, they're not working. They're not working. It's not working, and you're there saying. Ninyi, gulagayaka.
Gase.
You man, you're very stupid. Sinalinyako, or you go back to Sininyako. Chipapula, ukulima office chipapula.
Mpapa miti.
No sikuwa, chipapula chirwa. Let watch papula, no, ulimu yai. Silinya kwa ngamba yake.
Tajire ta ku office.
Ngoya, you stop you.